Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Raka Sastra Rosadi from Faculty of Culture, Arabic Literature. And today, I will be discussing the 17th Sustainable Development Goal or SDG 17, which focuses on partnerships for the goals. This goal emphasizes the importance of strengthening global partnerships to support the implementation of all the other SDGs. So, let's dive into why SDG is crucial, the challenges we face, and how we can foster stronger collaboration. Let's start with the question of what is SDG 17. SDG 17 aims to enchase the revitalized global partnerships for sustainable development. It recognizes that the success of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development requires active participation from government, private sectors, civil society, and global community. Achieving the SDGs is not something one nation can do alone. It requires partnerships that are inclusive, built upon shared goals, mutual benefits, and accountability. And why is it important? In an interconnected world, the action of one country or sector affect others. Global problems like climate change, poverty, inequality, and public health require collective responses. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic showed us how fragile our global systems can be and how interdependent we are. Countries need to collaborate in sharing resources, knowledge, and innovation to tackle these challenges effectively. The essence of SDG 17 is to ensure that no one is left behind. It provides the framework to enhance cooperation between developed and developing countries, enabling better access to resources such as financial aid, technology, and capacity building. So this collaborative approach will ensure that even the most vulnerable nation can make progress toward achieving the SDGs. So, what is the key target of SDG 17? SDG 17 has several key targets focusing on finance, technology, capacity building, trade, and systemic issues like policy and institutional coherence. Some of the critical targets include: first, finance, mobilizing financial resources for developing countries to help them implement the SDGs. The second is technology, promoting the development and transfer the environmentally sound technologies to all parts of the world, especially the least developed countries. The third is capacity building, strengthening the capacities of countries to achieve sustainable development, particularly through human resources and institutional development. The fourth is trade, promoting a universal, rules-based, open, and non-discriminatory trading system under the World Trade Organization or WTO. And the last is policy coherence, ensuring coherent policies and better cooperation between government, the private sector, and civil society. So, what is the challenges of SDG 17? Despite the importance, achieving SDG 17 faces several obstacles. One of the main challenges is the lack of sufficient funding. While there is a great deal of commitment of the SDGs, the financial gap between what is needed and what is available is vast. Developing countries, in particular, struggle to secure adequate financial resources. Another challenge is the uneven distribution of technology. While some countries have access to the cutting-edge technology, others are left behind, unable to develop or implement the innovations needed to achieve the SDGs. Furthermore, there are often policy and institutional barriers that prevent countries from effectively working together or making the necessary progress. So, the question is, how can we strengthen partnerships? Strengthening partnerships requires a multi-stakeholder approach. Government must play a central role creating a favorable environment for the partnership. But they cannot act alone. The private sector, NGOs, academia, and international organizations all have a critical part to play. So, here are some ways we can enhance this partnership. The first is increase investment in developing countries, whether through direct foreign investment, public-private partnerships, or innovative financing solutions. Developed nations need to step up their efforts to provide more resources. Foster technology transfer. Developed countries should help developing nations by sharing clean technologies and innovation that can address issues such as climate change, water scarcity, and energy efficiency. And the third is build stronger network, creating platforms for collaboration and knowledge exchange, such as international forums and public-private dialogues, can help bridge gap in understanding and cooperation. And the last is promote policy coherence. Government should work on aligning national policies with global sustainability goals, ensuring that different sectors are working in harmony toward the same objectives. So the conclusion is to wrap up SDG 17, partnerships the goals plays a crucial role in achieving the entire 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Without strong global partnerships, progress on other SDGs will be slow or impossible. Collaboration, resources sharing, and collective action are the key to building a better, more sustainable future and to everyone. So, thank you for watching, and let's continue working together for a better world. My name is Raka Sastrosadi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.